Hey team, Carl here, back with another recipe, raw sauce to be exact.
Raw sauce!
This one is a quick pizza sauce, real simple, real delicious. Like and subscribe, let's get started. For this one you're going to need 2 tins of crushed tomatoes or diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 to 4 cloves of garlic crushed, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs, some fresh ground black pepper, and some olive oil.
I'm the boss of this house!
I'm gonna pop the oil in, just a good squirt, throw the garlic in, medium heat just to sweat down. Then we're gonna pop in tomatoes, paste, salt and sugar, herbs, and about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a good mix. Let it simmer for around half an hour. Pour into a jug. You can have it like this, rustic and thick, but I like mine blended and smooth, just easier to spread that way. Then you're good to go, pop on your pizzas. Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Let me know how you go with it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Oh, if you don't like this house, get out!